Hello IG Garage family, so is your check engine light on with the P0206 code? This means there's an issue with the fuel injector circuit in cylinder 6. Ignoring this problem can lead to poor engine performance, rough idling and even misfires. But don't worry, today, I'll explain what P0206 means, where to find the affected injector, and how to fix it quickly. Stick around because this could save you from some really costly repairs. The P0206 trouble code indicates that the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, has detected a malfunction in the fuel injector circuit for cylinder 6. The injector is responsible for delivering the right amount of fuel for combustion. If the circuit is faulty, it can cause misfires and loss of power. Symptoms of P0206 include check engine light, or CL, turning on engine misfires or a rough idle, poor fuel efficiency, loss of power and hesitation, and increased exhaust emissions. Common causes of P0206 are: first, a faulty fuel injector. A damaged or clogged injector can prevent proper fuel delivery. Second, wiring or connector issues. Loose, corroded or damaged wiring can disrupt the injector circuit. Third, a PCM or ECM malfunction. This is rare, but sometimes the control module fails to send the correct signals. And finally, fuel delivery problems. Low fuel pressure can cause injector malfunctions. Alright, so, cylinder 6's location actually depends on your engine configuration. If you have a V6 or V8 engine, cylinder 6 is usually on bank 2, which is the side that does not contain cylinder 1. For an inline 6 engine, cylinder 6 is just the last one in the row. The fuel injector itself is mounted on the intake manifold, right near the cylinder head. It's connected to the fuel rail and held in place by an electrical connector. Now the injector gets its power from the ECU through a wiring harness. You'll want to check for any damaged or disconnected wires here, since those can easily cause the circuit to malfunction. First, you'll want to inspect the fuel injector and the wiring. Look for any visible damage, loose connections, or even leaks around the injector. If you spot any damaged wiring, go ahead and repair or replace it as needed. Okay, next up, let's test the fuel injector. You'll want to use a multimeter to check the injector's resistance. The normal range is usually somewhere between 11 and 18 ohms. But hey, make sure to check your car's specific requirements. If you find the injector is out of that range, it's time to replace it. Now, let's move on and check the fuel pressure. Low fuel pressure can definitely cause injector problems, so it's important to use a fuel pressure gauge to make sure everything is being delivered properly. Finally, if you discover the injector is faulty, you'll need to replace it with an OEM or a high-quality aftermarket part. Just be sure to install it properly and secure all the connections, so everything runs smoothly. Alright, so, to clear the P0206 code, just grab an obd2 scanner and erase it. Then go ahead and drive for a few miles to make sure that the check engine light stays off. And that's how you diagnose and fix P0206 to keep your engine running smoothly. Taking care of this issue will actually restore your fuel efficiency and help prevent any further engine damage. Hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more car repair tips from IG Garage. And also, check out these related videos. P013102, Sensor Circuit Low Voltage for Bank 1, Sensor 1, and P013202, Sensor Circuit High Voltage for Bank 1, Sensor 1. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.